So I just walked past this thing like a boxer engine, and the idle just jumped up and down for no reason. So I thought, y'all hear that? Oh, the AC may be doing that. You know, when the AC clutch kick in, the idle may jump up and down. But I literally thought somebody was in here doing some diagnosis, but they're not. Guys, this is a used car, all right? In from a shop. They trying to prep this thing to sell it. Look at those low numbers. Oh my goodness. You might as well get a V8, dude, with a Hemi or something in it. You're gonna burn that much gas. Let's see, this is a 2021 Subaru WRX, blah, 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 blah. It's the Kika right here. As is, baby, no warranty. Yeah, these things, 4-cylinder, 2.5, manual. Yeah, it's nice. Although, I would most certainly pass 50,000, no, 26,000 miles, that's all. Look how they got the stick. There you go again. So I'm thinking it's doing that just because the compressor on. Nice looking car. Yeah, that's a beauty, man. I don't know. I myself will have to pass. Yeah, I've never been a fan of this engine. How many of y'all like this engine? How many of y'all work on these things? Mr. Subaru, the top YouTube guy in the Subaru department on YouTube. I know another buddy that worked on these, Baja. I can't think of his new channel name. There you go. Heard that? Yeah. See, I saw that compressor kick in and the idle change. You sit here long enough and they do it again. Let's see if it do it again. Everything crammed up right there in the front. Interesting piece of technology here. Again, I'm no big fan and I'm not interested. Let's see if this idle change when this compressor cycle. Okay, obviously this is a cycling AC system. A lot of system now no longer cycles. Okay, there you go. Getting ready to do it now. Let's see. Look at that, it's spinning different than what the camera recording it at. You heard that? Yeah. So that's the AC doing that. I bet if you turn the AC off, the idle wouldn't fluctuate up and down. But that can freak a customer out. A customer can literally bring this car back complaining about that. From time to time, my idle will drop. Lady, you got the AC on. So the salesmen need to do their job while attempting to sell this. All right? Yeah, a lot of this boils down to the salesman. You have a job to do. You need to sell every feature and explain every little thing that could be perceived as a mishap. That's not a mishap. That's normal. All right, guys, I gotta go. There you go. All right, that's enough fun for today. Gotta go.